Alright, Thursday's highlights from our trading chat room at greatstockpicks.com. LVS was in this really nice sell-off here, looking for a rebound, called a long at 44.10. The stop, about 22 cents below worst case, didn't really much matter. Whoops. 44.10 was about right there, a little bit lower than that. Anyway, and went pretty quickly. That doesn't look like much of a move, but went pretty quickly to 44.71. So a 60-something cent move in our favor. And again, it didn't come back. It happened right away, worked right away. Those are the ones we like, with a kind of little V bottom there. And we want them to work right away, scale out into the pop. We don't let them cost us after that, although it did hold the low, never did take out the low of the day. And then as it came back down and looked like this, I said over the microphone, over this candle's high could work as a nice double bottom on LVS. Didn't type it out and send it as an announcement, but said it over the mic. That would have been 44.29 with a stop below this candle, and that one took you all the way over to 45.50. So over $1 move there on not too bad of a risk. UAL was also doing this sell-off we look for. Love the fact that it came down below 17, because on the daily, see, had nice support at 17. So once we got below there today, it had already fallen pretty far to get there. See this big fall just to get down to 17. So once it got below 17, I'm thinking long, not short. And the call was at 16.83, right about probably in here, something like right about here, I think, with a low of day stop, 18 cents below. And ended up grinding higher the rest of the day. Made it to 17.35, a little over 50-cent move in our favor, without ever stopping out. Rovi, brought to you by one of our members in chat, Snowbird, pointed out this little base here. Said, hey Mike, what about this? And I like the fact that Rovi, ROVI, just got killed yesterday. And then today, I'll go to the kind of the 2-day chart here. Today opened and then took out yesterday's low. Oftentimes what happens in a case like this is you get people trying to make that easy money, right? Shorting as it breaks, here's yesterday's low. People jumping in short here. It's already fallen pretty far and just got killed yesterday. Okay, so that's chasing to the downside. You can chase to the upside. You can also chase to the downside. I told the chat room I viewed these people here as late shorts, and I'd be thinking long, especially over this base. I liked it over this base. Nice alert by Snowbird to private message me on that one. 33. That's not right. 28.08 was my call, which was right here, with a 28 stop. So 8 cents risk. That's pretty darn good. Just that little base break right there. Stop right there. It never did stop out. 28.08, 8 cents risk. Didn't exactly kill, but it went to I think what, 28.56 at its height. So almost a 50-cent move on 8 cents risk. And then late in the day, PWR was pushing down lower here. I did have a failed bounce in it earlier, somewhere up here, I can't remember where, and then called it again. Revenge trade, if you will, at 18.70 right here. Worst case stop a dime below. Again, doesn't look like much, but it did get to 19.10, so a 40-cent move in our favor on a dime risk that really never was at risk of getting stopped out. So that's the boring, albeit profitable highlights from the day. Tomorrow is a bank holiday. I don't know if we'll find anything to trade. I expect really low volume, but certainly be in the chat room in the morning, hoping to get 1 or 2 nice ones before we wrap up what's probably going to be an early afternoon, because I have a feeling it's going to be dead boring Friday afternoon. All right, have a great night. We'll talk to you later.